wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is another, we're gonna try to put my go-to makeup routine together, but I want to see if this will be my makeup routine by the end of the year. You know, you do your yearly favorites every year. I feel like for the most part, a lot of my favorites for 2022 were things that I used in 2021 because there weren't that many exciting launches in 2022. But the way these brands have been announcing stuff that's coming out, things I already had to buy, packages already on the way, I don't know. So we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna come back at the end of the year to see if this was still my go-to makeup routine. So the only thing I did were my brows, which I've been using this Refy brand eye pencil. It's the shade. Okay, this is way too skinny to have a shade. It's like the darkest shade that they have there. Upside down. So first, I'm gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury Invisible UV Flawless Primer, and we're just gonna blend that in. I don't know. There's something about sunscreen. I really don't like blending it in with my hands. And then I used the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Glow Serum Primer in Juice Boost. Ooh. And of course, y'all already know, Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin in Universal. I've been focusing that just more in my T-zone directly, but again, just blend that out. See, I feel like I did this brow just perfectly today. I might have to fill in a little bit of this just so that they look like twins, not sisters. I feel like right now they're giving sisters. Some days they be giving cousins. Do the foundation. I like to do a once over with the Laura Mercier Ultra Blur powder in medium deep. Oh, yes, I said just a little bit. That's just a lot. But just really push that in. Okay, now I have been going back and forth on what I think will be my 2023 foundation. Obviously, the Makeup by Mario foundation in the shade 26N has been a banger, but this NYX Blur was also a banger. But this photographed really nicely. I'm gonna go with the Mario. I feel like NYX, if I have to travel, mind you, travel friendly in the summer, I'll probably have to break that out a little bit more, but I feel like this will probably be the everyday go-to. Now, the real test of the year will be to see if I keep the lid, because I don't know what it is, I just cannot hold on to lids. Then this is really the only foundation I do 2 actual pumps of. For concealer, I'm thinking Huda's Faux Filter Concealer in 1442. Oh, Praline. I always say the wrong thing first. But I feel like if anything will be replaced this year, this will easily be one. Because concealer, you know, it just don't be doing it for me. I haven't found the one that I'm like, oh, this can't go anywhere. And what I've learned is, you know, that whole like letting concealers sit on, this ain't one of them concealers, okay? Blend it out. To set that, gonna use good old honey from Laura Mercier. This is another one I feel like if something gets replaced by the end of the year, it would probably be this as well, just because also I like trying setting powders, and there are a lot of setting powders out there that hit. One thing about it, two things for sure. My nose gonna run and I'm gonna get something in my eye when I do my makeup. Going into the new year with the same contour. This is from LYS. The shade is worthy. I don't remember what the actual product name is. You know, just a little bit, because she's deep. Charlotte bronzer. And Rare Beauty blushes. This is the shade Love, and this is the shade Believe. I'm gonna continue to use the Charlotte Tilbury and the One Size spray, but I need to go do that because I need to put my hair back in my bonnet because, you know, we're preserving the silk press. I'll be right back. Okay, now for lips might be a little hard because I got like legit 4 or 5 different lip products in my hand, but lip liner is going to be Sephora's, come on, Sephora's, I can't hold the mirror, Molasses. And then I'm gonna take Hot Choco Lit. Oh, from Fenty's Gloss Bomb Heat. And then Fenty Glow Heat. And then Bubble Binge, just a little bit, so it's not too pinky. And then Hot Cherry in Heat. And then this Buxom Plumping Gloss in Flush, not Flush, right in the middle. Now I promise you, you do not have to tell me that that's a lot of gloss, you don't want to put that much on. I promise you, you don't have to tell me that because you don't have to do it. I'm letting you know what I do. So when I get the questions like what is the, I'm letting you know that's what it is. At no point is that me saying you need to do the same thing. So you really don't need to let me know that you don't like it or you don't want to do it. That's my nice way of saying because I don't care. And I believe I told you guys that these are the lashes that I wear in every single look. They are the Ardell Remy Lashes 778s. However, I did just order lashes off Amazon. They look really cute. They look like if you were to go get, what are the girlies called? Lash extensions. So might be replaced by the end of the year. I'm not sure about that, but we'll see. But yeah, this I'm thinking is going to be my everyday face. Like I said, we'll come back at the end of the year, see how much of this is still around. But yeah, that is pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you ever want to know what I'm wearing in, you know, videos where I'm not trying a new product or I'm not that type of thing, it's probably going to be this. Just come to this video. Okay, well, if I say come find this video, this is the video I'm talking about. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.